How to block or unblock someone on Facebook Lite. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, I will teach you on how to block or unblock someone on Facebook Lite. So now, let's get started. First of all, launch your Facebook Lite application on your device. Once you are on the app, tap the three horizontal line in the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap Settings. Again, scroll down. Under the Audience and Visibility section, you can see Blocking. Now tap on it. The profile of the person you have blocked on Facebook appears here, so just tap on Unblock next to their name. Now to block someone on Facebook, go to the profile of the person you want to block. Now tap on the three dotted line and there click on Block. Now, after tapping block for the one last time, this person will be blocked from your Facebook Lite account. So this is how we block or unblock someone on Facebook Lite. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.